Hey guys, we received this Sode 12 pieces pots and pan set. It's a non-stick cookware set with the white granite induction cooktop or the cookware. So you can see comes in nice protective box and it's a really high quality with this would look like top, and also this have a nice glass thing. So this one is actually a nice material, as you can see with this different stuff. So let me just take out everything and then I will show it to you. So these are compatible with all type of stoves like the gas stoves, induction or the electric cooktop. And then also cleaning and everything is easy. And you can see like the bottom is really nice that work with any cooktop. The handles are strong and they are really durable and also like looks nice. So I just took out everything just to show it to you. So this have this non-stick coating as you can see it here, and they have a different layer material. So it's an aluminum layer that will give it a nice look, and die cast aluminum. This also have this nice design on the top. So this 12-piece cookware set actually have a 4.5 quart salt pan with lid, 11-inch frying pan, 9-inch frying pan, 4.3 quart saucepan with lid and steamer, and a 1.5 quart saucepan with lid, and silicone shovel, spoons, and tongs. So this is the saucepan with a lid and steamer. As you can see, the steamer is of steel. You can just use it to steam your stuff. So all the material is really nice, high quality material that I can feel it here. You can use it without this steamer pan, and you can also use it directly. So this is a nice set that the handy and really good to work with. I also try to clean and wash where cleaning is really easy. Just use a sponge or non-scratchy mop to clean it up. So like in the some handles, you can just tighten this up with a screwdriver, and the screwdriver is also provided. So every tool or all the tools are provided in here where you can use it, and then you can retight or something if it get loosen up. But the material wise, it's good. Quality wise and durability wise, it's good. I can feel that. Also, like the non-stick quality in here, and then the material for the pan is also good as it's compatible with all type of cooktop. And then with the handle thing, the hands are going really nice, so the holding and using it is easy. This have this steam related wall, so like if you're cooking something, the steam will just pass by and you can use this saucer pan very easily. So material quality and handle durability, everything is all good. And this really feels like using it with the stuff. Now this also have this extra silicone shovel, spoon, and tongs. The quality you can see it here. So the silicone will also help like using this with a non-scratch thing that you can easily use and do for the cooktop. Have this wooden handle, so this is easy to handle as well, the soup and the other thing. So overall, it's a complete set for your cookware kit, and also like have this durable coating. So it's a really nice non-frying or non-sticky coating stuff. So hope you look like this one as well and very helpful for your kitchen and use in a different purpose. I like this handle and this coating and this compatibility with all the cooktops that you can easily use it anywhere. It also comes in different colors that you can check on the website and also like yeah, use it in a different way.
So as I said, cleaning is pretty straightforward as this is all non-stick, so very easy to clean with some sponge or the soft sponge as you can see. So this is pretty nice with the water and dish soap, and then cleaning up is fast. And the same thing with their glass thing as well, and this is a long handle, so it's easy to clean, and you can see like the water is also not staying for a long time. And then this is the glass one, that's very easy to clean as well. So these handles are looks like a wood, but it's not like like a actual wood. So that will goes bad in the water. So I'm just trying to cook something, and then when you put on this flame, this is fine. Then I'm just doing some pasta, and this is not sticking to the pan. And this is the silicone spoon that comes with it, and it's pretty nice. You can use any non-scratching coating or uh, spatula or something, and then it is not sticking on the pan. So it's pretty nice and nice quality uh, cook cookwares where like stick, and you can use this lid so that it's a nice cookware set.